into the Anli movement. 2 glasses of Anli plus 10,000 steps every day for essential bone health. Now move your feet and swing your body to the beat. Make 2 glasses of Anli plus 10,000 steps a daily habit.
Girlfriend waits, the boyfriend's late.
Yay! Yay! Oh.